즐김은 having fun, pleasure, comes from 즐기다, to enjoy. And topic marker as for. So 즐김은 as for enjoyment, enjoyment itself. 위 equal above, 아래 equals below. 위아래 없다, no hierarchy, no ranks, no high or low, no superior, inferior. This phrase is very Korean culturally. It means open quote, everyone is equal, no status, no class, festival celebration, not just a party, something communal, open, shared. Putting it together, natural meaning. Not stiff translation, meaning, open quote, enjoyment is a festival where there's no hierarchy, close quote. Korea is a very hierarchy-aware society, age, status, rank. So saying 위아래 없는 is actually rebellious plus freeing. This line is basically saying, open quote, when we're enjoying ourselves, all that ranking bullshit disappears. Happiness, emotional well-being, joy, contentment. Jisu, index level score, used for measurable things, e.g. happiness index, air quality index, etc. So 행복 지수 equals happiness level, happiness index. 특정, to measure, calculate, quantify. 불가, impossible, not allowed, cannot, very official, firm tone. Literal meaning, open quote, happiness index cannot be measured, close quote. 부림치다. This verb doesn't have a clean one-word English match. Core feeling, to struggle violently, to thrash about, to writhe, flail, to fight against something while being overwhelmed. Arms flailing, body twisting, emotions spilling, means while doing, as doing, connects actions happening at the same time, meaning together. Open quote, 부림치며, thrashing, struggling while, close quote, used to paint motion plus emotion at once.